The microwave oven was invented completely by accident. In 1945, an American engineer named Percy Spencer was working on radar technology during World War II. While testing a magnetron, a device used in radar systems, he noticed something strange. The chocolate bar in his pocket had melted without heat, fire, or a stove. Spencer realized the radar waves had cooked it. He tested popcorn next. It popped instantly. Then an egg, which exploded. That accident led to the invention of the first microwave oven, changing how the world cooks food forever.